Hello everyone. Welcome to Mathematics 4 with Teacher JM. For Quarter 4, Week 4, Day 1. Our topic is all about data involving two variables. For our objectives from our MELC or Most Essential Learning Competency. 1. Collects data on two variables using any source. And 2. Organizes data in tabular form and presents them in a single or double horizontal or vertical bar graph. Before we start, let's define the following words. First, data. A collection of facts, such as numbers, words, measurements, observations. Example. 1. Getting the number of times that you eat today. 2. Getting the number of each kind of flower in the garden. Next, variables. It is an alphabet or term that represents an unknown number or unknown value or unknown quantity. Example. 1 plus x equals 3. The unknown variable is x. Next, table. It is a way of presenting information or data using rows or horizontal and columns or vertical. Example. You can see the sample table of the favorite sport of grade 4, sunflower. Lastly, graph. It can be defined as a pictorial representation or a diagram that represents data or values in an organized manner. Example. You can see the sample bar graph about the number of supplies for grade 4, Lily. To start, study the following example and analyze how the given data are collected, organized, and presented. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's read the example. Avon loves to help picking pineapples from their family's farm. Every day he picks pineapples. Let us help him count how many pineapples he gathers for 1 week. Now, let's count the pineapples. On Monday, Avon gathered 12 pineapples. On Tuesday, Avon gathered 10 pineapples. On Wednesday, Avon gathered 9 pineapples. On Thursday, Avon gathered 11 pineapples. On Friday, Avon gathered 15 pineapples. Then, on Saturday, Avon gathered 20 pineapples. Lastly, on Sunday, Avon gathered 18 pineapples. Let us tally the number of pineapples gathered using this template. On Monday, Avon gathered 12 pineapples. On Tuesday, Avon gathered 10 pineapples. On Wednesday, Avon gathered 9 pineapples. On Thursday, Avon gathered 11 pineapples. On Friday, Avon gathered 15 pineapples. Then, on Saturday, Avon gathered 20 pineapples. Lastly, on Sunday, Avon gathered 18 pineapples. Using the table below, we can easily answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the data all about? Very good. The data is all about the number of pineapples gathered by Avon for 1 week. Question number 2. On what day is the least number of pineapples gathered? Good job. The answer is Wednesday. Let me explain. It only has 9 pineapples gathered on that day. It is the least number of pineapples gathered in the entire week. Question number 3. What is the greatest number of pineapples gathered? Awesome. The answer is Saturday. Let's hear the explanation. On Saturday, Avon gathered 20 pineapples on that day. It is the greatest number of gathered pineapples in the entire week. Question number 4. How many more pineapples gathered on Monday than on Tuesday? You're right. The answer is 2. Here is the explanation. On Monday, Avon gathered 12 pineapples. On Tuesday, he gathered 10 pineapples. The operation to be used is subtraction. Therefore, 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Question number 5. What is the difference between the number of pineapples collected on Thursday and Friday? You're correct. The answer is 4. Here is the explanation. On Thursday, Avon gathered 11 pineapples. On Friday, he gathered 15 pineapples. The operation to be used is subtraction. Therefore, 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. The data can also be presented in a horizontal or vertical bar graph. How can it be done? We can construct a horizontal or vertical bar graph by following the steps. Are you ready? Let's start. Step 1. Draw the vertical and horizontal axis. Step 2. Label the horizontal and vertical axis. Step 3. Find the highest number in the data. Step 4. Make a scale from 0 to the highest number in the table. Step 5. Draw horizontal or vertical bars to represent the number of pineapples gathered each day. And lastly, Step 6. Write the title of the bar graph. Here you go. This is the example of the bar graph that of the table that we discussed a while ago. Now, let's remember. A graph tells a story about the data or information given. A bar graph is one way of presenting set of data which can either be vertical or horizontal in form. It can be used to show and compare information. Let's look at the example of horizontal and vertical bar graph. Can you tell the difference? Double bar graphs help us to compare or present more than one kind of information instead of just one by using bars. Double bar graphs can be vertical or horizontal. Let's take a look at the given example of double bar graph. There you go. I hope that you learn a lot about data involving two variables, especially how to create and interpret a table and bar graph. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM. Please subscribe and see you again next video.